Picture 3 guys in Malaga, a beautiful Spanish city with amazing landscapes. Not San Francisco or Tokyo, Malaga, a thriving city, albeit not particularly known for being the mecca of tech companies or startups. A place where a designer came up with an idea to solve a problem. Wouldn't it be awesome to find every single picture I need for my projects in just one place? He shared this thought with a photographer and a programmer. Their vision turned into an image indexer, and unbeknownst to them, they solved a problem, apparently for many other designers around the world. Picture that solution germinating like a seed, this project growing throughout, Malaga. But then flourishing in Europe and the whole world. The ball started rolling. Three friends turned into 10, and the friends then evolved into an incredible team of more than 392 people, 450 exclusive designers around the world. And well, let us keep telling the story before we spill all the details. The images turned into something else, and Flaticon made its debut. As an iconic game changer, the world's biggest, free, and most incredible database of icons. What started as just icons quickly turned into a lot more than just that. We wanted to help creators optimize their work with great online customizing tools to personalize icons before downloading them. Pretty cool, right? So, over time, stickers and UI icons became part of the mix, and that took things to a whole new level. Where were we? Oh, right. Picture that guy designing. And just like him, picture another, and so many more. Photographers and designers from all around the world started sharing their work, and yes, making a profit from it. With so much creativity and inspiration in the air, we also started creating pieces of our own, working with some amazing in-house talent. Picture all the buzz these guys generated. Eventually, this caught the attention of other folks from around the world. We also dove into the presentations market, creating Slidesgo, the platform where you can get amazing templates for Google Slides and PowerPoint, then customize them and make them more original and inspiring. Suddenly, there we were in 2020. The world changed, and the digital world gave people new possibilities. Many people reinvented themselves as freelancers with new brands and products. In 12 years, we achieved so much. Our team has been working hard and diligently for countless hours, researching, planning, designing, a whole community at work creating everything with one clear goal: to promote creativity by making it more accessible to everyone, creating and offering a mine of quality graphic tools and images to streamline your work, giving you more time to do all the things you love, improving your life, and making our world look a little better, one design at a time.